Hey guys, here's another one that I talk in. Here's a video of the Air Force ceiling fan. It's kind of saggy because it's been in my collection for a while. If you've seen on my old channel, it's been in my collection for almost 2 years if you watch on my old channel. But yeah, two of the blades are really saggy, especially this one. I've tried to fix it. But it doesn't work. Like, I tried my best to bend them back, but it doesn't want to fix. It still wants to sag, so I'm gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, here's low. I didn't really want to talk in this one at first, but I decided I should, so I just did. But yeah. Um, this is actually one of the first fans I had in my collection. The first one I had was the G event thing, the Moss G event, so yeah. Medium. Hi. Wobbles a little bit due to the sag. If you could see it, doesn't wobble too bad. But yeah, and that's pretty much it for the video. I decided just talking this one just like I did with the Glen Riders 1 ceiling fan. This is the Air Force ceiling fan. The blades are really saggy. I've tried fixing it so much times, but it did not work. It doesn't want to get fixed. It wants to keep sagging. But that's okay. That's pretty much it, and bye. It's been in my collection for a while, so that's why it's saggy. But yeah, and that's pretty much it. And bye. A lot more videos to come. And yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And bye.